Boom shakalaka, this happened 3 times for Bitcoin since 2022, and you'll never guess what happens next. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randy here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including this happened 3 times since 2022, and you'll never guess what happens next, guaranteed. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, and of course, subscribe to the OG Crypto and Bitcoin YouTube channel, making daily videos since 2017. Now, today, before we get into things, this video is sponsored by Syndicator. Stay tuned for a sponsored ad read later in the episode. Today, though, Fear 30. We were talking about this yesterday, how after the crash yesterday, betting on the Fear and Greed Index dropping to Fear, and like expected, it did all the way down to 30. We have gone in the past month from extreme greed to neutral, all the way to Fear. Will we make it to extreme Fear? We'll kind of have to see. Bear with me for the rest of the episode, and then we can make up our minds together. Now, the overall market down 1% today. Bitcoin at 61.56, Ethereum at 33.65, and you can see the rest of the coins there, what they are doing. But if we take a look right here, Bitcoin is still sitting in this bull flag, and you might notice some bar patterns here. I have them just barely visible so that you can see the actual price almost perfectly bouncing off of the 200-day moving average. But these 3 lines right here, the 21 SMA in blue, the 50-day moving average in yellow, and the 100-day moving average in green, crossing, the SMA crossing down below both of those. These bar patterns are actually what Bitcoin did the last 3 times that happened. And as you can see, almost perfectly following this bar pattern for the yellow signal, but all of them staying well within this bull flag and breaking above there by the very latest, the end of August. Now, we have recently had a pullback. People are fearful. The sky is falling. It's all over. $70,000 was the official top for Bitcoin forever. And just a reminder, this is how the recent crash looks like. When in doubt, zoom out. We're still even below the linear regression fit, which means that it's not even a fair value price for linear regression fit, which is pretty darn cool, especially how we're expecting a blow off top this cycle. That being said, it's still worthwhile to stay humble. Most of us have seen far worse in terms of drawdowns from previous all-time high, so it could still get worse. Don't rule that out before going there, but it may get better if you bear with me, and we'll show exactly why. Now, don't let Bitcoin's chopsolidation shake you out. You can see it right now. Bitcoin price sitting right around the short-term holder cost basis, the 128-day moving average. And when it dips below the short-term holder cost basis, this is buy the dip opportunities. A quote from Checkmate's engineering professor on advanced calculus and algebra. This is interesting. You won't need most of this mathematics and engineering. This class is designed to weed out those who don't want to be here. Same thing in Bitcoin. You don't need most of this chopsolidation and downward price movement, but this is just to weed out the people who don't want to be here and those who go in 100x long. That's basically all this is for. Now, it's about time we're seeing these charts again, how we have many drawdowns each bull run, 38%, 38%, 33%, 36%, 29%. Pretty darn normal on the way up. Could we have found the bottom? Well, Checkmate once again saying, I prefer acquiring sats when both the SOPR and the MVRV are below 1. Now, if we take a look at the SOPR right here, this is below 1. How about that? Good opportunity there. Also, MVRV, this is below 1 as well. Both of them showing an amazing buy opportunity for Bitcoin. Not looking for bottoms, looking for meaningful discounts. When the sky is falling, when people are fearful, these are the times when buying Bitcoin will net you money in the long term, especially if we are still in a bull run. Now we're going to take a look at what Bitcoin has done 3 times since 2022 and what is likely to happen next. But before we do that, guys, today's episode is sponsored by Syndicator, a leader in artificial intelligence since 2015. Syndicator has developed a unique hybrid intelligence technology that combines AI with human collective intelligence, offering something truly groundbreaking in the crypto world. The combination of AI and human expertise powers the CND Edge product, providing trading signals for CND token holders. Different holder thresholds unlock more accurate indicators predicting market trends and specific altcoin movements. Users of CND Edge have made significant profits, making it an invaluable tool for active traders. For a more passive approach, there's Stoic. The highly successful crypto trading bot has over 15,000 paying clients and more than 130 million in investments. Stoic is available on major platforms like Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, and Crypto.com, with OKX and Bybit coming soon. Now, CND tokens are currently only available on Uniswap as Binance and Bittrex work on regulatory compliance. The team is accelerating efforts on the CND token, adding exclusive benefits and new exchange listings soon. Investing in CND tokens not only offers ROI, but also access to developed services and more utility than other crypto investments. As a CND holder, you get exclusive access to Stoic AI's indicators, discounts, and a share of Stoic's revenue through the CND DAO. This DAO lets you participate in key decisions, making it a truly decentralized and community-driven effort. Interested in learning more? Head over to syndicator.com and stoic.ai and join the CND DAO community on Discord. Stay informed and ahead of the curve with Syndicator and Stoic and see how AI can revolutionize your trading experience. Links down in the description. Now, as we were saying, Bitcoin has done this 3 times since 2022. Here's time 1, here's time 2, here's time 3, in case you couldn't figure that out for yourself. But a red dot has appeared just recently on the better RSI signal for Bitcoin. Over the past 2 years, this signal has always predicted that a Bitcoin bottom is very close or has already occurred. Choose your side what you think is going to happen. As a matter of fact, if we take a look at Bitcoin gains since it dropped down on those low RSI levels, the oversold levels over the past 2 years, guess what? The first time, 60%. The second time, 62.5%. The third time, 198%. On average, roughly 100%, doubling the price each time this happens. That would put Bitcoin right now at roughly $120,000 based on this signal here. Pretty crazy. Not only that, but Bitcoin is lining up very closely with what we saw in 2017. And this 2017 was an awesome, epic bull run. Not only because it was the first one that I was involved in when I first started making videos, but it was just like enthusiasm all over the place. We had a blow off top. We didn't get wicked off and all the paper trading and everything else going on. Could we have another one of these coming up? Well, take a look. Looks very similar. We're at same levels as previous all-time high. We're also getting squeezed between there and the 200 EMA. And take a look at what happens next. Price goes up dramatically. Bitcoin price went up almost 20x from where we are right now back in 2017. So things could be getting pretty crazy. As a matter of fact, should price go up just to $70,000? Now I know that's a lot. Some of you think that'll never happen again, but we were just there like a month ago. So should Bitcoin price go back up to those levels, 8 billion USD and short liquidations will be triggered at $70,000. The longs looks pretty empty. They've liquidated pretty much all of the longs as of right now. So most of the liquidation is on the short side, and once price starts going up, these shorts get liquidated. They have to cover their position, which pushes the price higher and faster. Just a reminder, this could be a bull run unlike anything we have seen in history. If we take a look here, we have this cross end. When it narrows, we have okay bull runs. The closer the narrowing, pretty epic bull runs. Well, this not only got very close, but it actually crossed and is crossing back very shortly. Things could get absolutely bananas. The most impulsive, legendary Bitcoin bull run ever. And just a reminder, every single time, exactly where we are. I know it's scary, but this is the bull run phase. We've had the pre-bull run for the past year. We had the bear market. I'm sure you guys remember that. I certainly do. It's like PTSD. You don't get over that stuff. Then bull run. Then huge bull run. Rinse and repeat. It's coming one more time. And that, my friends, is all for this episode. So if you did enjoy it, like the video, come join us on Twitter at TheCryptoLove. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks to Syndicator for sponsoring the video. And of course, YouTube thinks you should watch that video right there. And I tend to agree. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.